Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to draw cartoon portraits in Canva. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. To get started here, what you need to do is open your Canva on any web browser you have. Just search for canva.com and you can definitely access or use these video editing platform for free. And you can actually look for, in order for you to cartoonize your image, is that you actually need to look for an image, or you can upload your own image as well. But for me here, since this is just for an example or a demo, I'll be just using the stock image here on Canva. So what you need to do is click on edit image here on the upper right corner, upper left corner rather, and you need to use the older version so that you'll be able to use Prisma. Prisma is another type of editing software or application here that you can use for free in Canva, where it turns your image cartoonized or more like a painting. So what you can do here is that once you have added the Prisma into your Canva, is that you can either use passion fruit or the tiramisu effect, so that you will be able to create images that are cartoon-like images. So for example, we do have here the passion fruit, and if you will zoom in into the image, it looks like the image was made or created digitally. So you can just adjust the brightness, the contrast, and the saturation so that you will be able to create images that are more like cartoonish. So here you can just adjust this depending on how you would like the image to look like, and you can even add the filters as well, like this one here. So as you zoom in, it's definitely similar to digital created artwork. So in comparison to the original image, the image has now been digitalized. And that's the end of the video. That's how you'll be able to draw a cartoon portrait here on Canva. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.